Hey, and welcome to Smartlearner's How to Drive series. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to perfectly set up your car before you move off. So this is a video on how to do the cockpit drill. So the first thing you want to do is obviously unlock our car. And then we're going to walk around to the driver's side, which is fine. And then we're going to get in our car and make sure that the door is shut. We can tell the door is shut because when we turn on the engine and we have a look at the dashboard, if I'm to open my door, we can see that the symbol on the dashboard signifies that our door is open. When I shut that, the symbol is no longer on. So the first step of being in the car is making sure your door is shut. So down here you'll notice we have a handle. If I pull that handle up just below my chair, I'm then able to move my chair forward or back depending on what I find most comfortable. So as you'll notice here, I should have a slight bend in my leg and be able to operate both pedals comfortably and with ease. The next adjustment I can do is, if you look down here at the side of my seat, there is a handle. If I pump this down, you'll see that the seat starts to get lower, and if I pull the handle up, you'll notice that the seat starts to raise up. So what I should be able to see is I should be able to see completely over the dashboard nice and easy. If I was a little bit shorter and I was down here, obviously I don't have a great view of the road, so you want to be able to see nice and over the top, and you also want to have a nice clear view of your dashboard. You'll notice at the side of the chair we also have a little cog. Again, if I twist that forward, the back of my chair will move forward, and if I twist that cog backwards, then you'll notice the back of the cog, the back of the chair, sorry, goes backwards. So I want to be in a comfortable position where it's not a strain on my back. So I don't want to be too upright or too far back. Just wherever's most comfortable for you is absolutely fine. So the next thing we want to adjust is our headrest. So you'll notice my headrest has a button. Some of yours may have a button kind of down here where the metal meets the chair. So to operate the headrest, I press the button in and then I'm able to raise it or lower it. What I should be looking for is the top of my ears is in line with about the middle of the headrest. So the next adjustment we can do is we can actually move the steering wheel. So if you notice, my steering wheel has a handle just here. Some of yours might be underneath the steering wheel, so just have a feel in your own car. So what we can do is we can pull this down, and then that'll let me pull the steering wheel towards me, push the steering wheel away from me, and I can also lower it or raise it depending on where I find most comfortable. A good way to tell if your steering wheel is in a good position is you should be able to rest your wrist just on top of the wheel without kind of stretching or without the wheel having too sharp of a bend in your arm. So I like to have mine far away from me because I have quite long arms, and this gives me full control of the wheel when I'm kind of holding it at 10-2 or 9-3 depending on what you find most comfortable. Once I'm happy with the wheel, I'm then just going to raise this back up and lock the steering wheel back into place so it doesn't move anymore. So the next adjustment we can do is to do with our seatbelt. So depending on your height, you may want to actually raise the seatbelt up so it raises higher on you, or drop it lower. So if you find that your seatbelt is choking you, you may actually need to lower it down so it doesn't sit across your neck. Then we obviously take the seatbelt, pull it across our body and clip it in. A seatbelt will actually reduce your chances of dying in a collision by 50%. So the first mirror that I may want to adjust is my center mirror. So as we can see in this mirror, I want to see the whole of the road behind me, any cars or anything like that. The next mirror is our right hand mirror, which we want to make sure we can see the whole of the back door handle and a little bit of the front door handle, as well as the road behind us. Then we have our left mirror over here, which again we want to see a little bit of our back door handle, or a little bit of our front door handle, sorry, all of the back door handle, a little bit of the front door handle, and again we should be able to see the road all the way back. We should also see the distance from the curb and the pavement. What you may notice is your left hand mirror may be a little bit lower than your right hand mirror. This is again to help with parking and stuff like that. We hope you guys enjoy the video and now know how to set up the car on your first driving lesson. If you're looking forward to the How to Drive series, be sure to like and subscribe this video for more.